I have visited Herat province for the second time in 6 months to look at the work that the United Nations and partners are doing for the province and the people of Afghanistan. I was able to witness firsthand the work that has been done on reintegrating refugees and returnees coming into the province, looking at the work that has been done in response to the earthquake in this area. And right now, as you can see behind me, I'm in Chahak village, where innovative approaches have been undertaken by the United Nations and partners to have local vernacular structures which are earthquake resistant. Many lives were lost, and the international community and the authorities have tried to rehabilitate this region, which was the epicenter of an earthquake in 2023. Today, I have seen the collective efforts of the local authorities, the partners, NGOs, and the United Nations in trying to rebuild the lives together with the communities here. Afghanistan is one of the world's most climate-impacted countries and also prone to natural disasters. The response has enabled people to rebuild lives in a very challenging environment. In my visit in Herat, I have had the opportunity to look at private sector enterprises bringing Afghan men and women into the marketplace. Particularly women-led micro and small enterprises was eye-opening to look at the potential and the need for support to scale up through investments in microfinance, access to markets, support in business literacy skills, etc. This is a vital part of rebuilding Afghanistan with its private sector, tapping into the human capital of Afghan men and women and affording the space, particularly for women and girls, to be part of the nation building process of Afghanistan. Herat is in a unique point of connectivity. It's incredibly important that the international community and the business community come together and utilize the connectivity that Afghanistan has to Central Asia and the neighboring countries, and empower, support and capacitate the private sector in creating jobs and uplift economic activity in the region.